Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add on Google Sheets. So I'm just going to type in total here, and I'm just going to make it in the center, and I'm also going to do that for all of it, and I'm also going to add in borders for this. Then the formula for adding everything up is the equal sign. It's going to automatically add it to you because it's like next to total. So if not, just select sum and then in parentheses, and then you're going to select everything, close parentheses, and press enter. And you can also do it with like prices. So again, equals sign sum, and just press enter because it's going to already type in the formula for you. It is that simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!